Most people get this wrong when trying to get Amazon Prime for free. They search for hacks, generators, or secret tricks that simply do not work. Here's the truth no one tells you. There are legitimate ways to access Amazon Prime benefits at little or no cost, but you need to know which options are actually available in 2026. In this video, I'll show you the safest and most legitimate ways to get Amazon Prime for free or at a reduced cost, and I'll help you avoid scams that could put your account at risk. Let's start with the easiest method. The first option is the Amazon Prime free trial. If your account is eligible, Amazon may offer a free trial period for new or qualifying customers. Simply sign in to your Amazon account, visit the Prime membership page, and check whether a trial offer is available. This gives you access to Prime benefits without paying upfront during the trial period. But here's the problem. Many people assume every Amazon account qualifies. That is not always true. If you've used a Prime trial recently, you may not be eligible for another one right away. Now here's where it gets interesting. Students may have access to special Prime student memberships. These offers can include extended trial periods or discounted membership rates. If you're enrolled in an eligible educational institution, it's worth checking Amazon student membership options. Another legitimate method is Amazon Household. This is where most people overlook a valuable benefit. In some regions, eligible Prime members can share certain Prime benefits with family members through Amazon Household settings. For example, if John already has a Prime membership and shares an eligible household account with a family member, that person may be able to enjoy select Prime benefits without purchasing a separate membership. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make when trying to save money on Prime. Some users may also qualify for discounted Prime memberships through specific government assistance programs or regional promotions, depending on availability and eligibility requirements. These offers change over time, so always verify them directly through Amazon. Now let's talk about what not to do. Never use websites claiming to provide free Prime accounts, hacked memberships, account generators, or unauthorized access methods. These are often scams and can result in account security issues or violations of platform rules. The easiest and safest approach is simple. Check for a free trial, explore student discounts if you're eligible, review household sharing options, and look for any official promotions available in your region. Let's quickly recap. The best legitimate ways to get Amazon Prime for free in 2026 are using an eligible free trial, qualifying student offers, approved household sharing features, and official promotional programs when available. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite Amazon Prime benefit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.